Good afternoon, children. Today we will start exercise 5.1. You know, children, this is of our terminal course is there, okay? And this chapter you have to write down in your geometry book. So question number 1 is draw the mirror image of each of the following figure assuming the dotted line as mirror. Now here some images are given. See here. This all are the images which is given to you, okay, and here there is a mirror line also given. Now you have to assume that you are standing in front of the mirror. Then which kind of image will fall here on this side in mirror, that we have to draw it, okay. So here the number 1 is this diagram is given. So what we will do, so here there is a standing line is there, okay. So this standing line will fall here or here. So this line will fall this side. As we know that in the mirror there is some here which is on the left hand side will fall in on the right hand side, okay, and the image will remain exactly the same. So I will draw it like this standing line, okay. Now this line will remain same. Here we will draw it these two lines. The line should be very straight, okay. Now this line will fall this way. So here we will do, in between it will come, okay, and here. So what you observe, that image is exactly same but left side will become right, okay. So this way we have drawn. Now if the images fall like if the image is like this is number 2 image is there, okay. If the image is like this there, so here this line will remain same, even this line also will remain same, and this. Now in this image there is no left right, any direction is not there, so same it will fall, okay. Now here we will see this arrow. Can you see this arrow? Now in this arrow also there is no left right, means you can count this as a right and this is left. Now this left will fall here and right will fall here, okay, but it will look same only when we will draw the image. So here see, first of all I will draw this standing line. There is 2 standing lines are there, okay. So 2 standing line, then down this line. Now this way it is out, okay. Now it will go up, okay. Same arrow we will fall, it will fall over here, okay. If you feel that little it is different there, so we can do proper, but mirror image means exactly the same, okay. Shapes and size will remain same. Now see here, this dot is here on the right hand side. Now on the mirror image this will come on the left hand side, okay. So here we will draw this image, okay. Now here this dot is there, so here this dot should come and this way it will fall. See, this is our center dot is there, this dot. Now this way here it is on the right hand side, so in mirror image it will fall on the left hand side, okay. Now we will go to the next diagram. Now here like L type shape is there. Now the face of this L type shape goes to the left hand side, but in the mirror image it will go to the right hand side. So first there is a standing line, so I will draw, okay. One sleeping line I will draw. Now here this small line is there. Now here it is 1, 2 and 3. So here it will go, okay, and then it will, this line will come like this. See, exact image is there, okay. So this way we have to draw it. Now this staircase there. So here from the staircase we will go, this goes to the right hand side direction. Now on this mirror image it will come on the left hand side direction. So here first I will draw this standing line, okay, and then this base I will draw. Now from here I will start. This is the first step. Okay, first step. Now goes to the this right side, I will go to the left side. Now this is second step, I will come down. Okay, now here this goes to right hand side, it will go to the left hand side. This is third step and this is fourth step. Okay, so exactly this there. Now we will go to the next diagram. Now this is T type shape is there. So this shape will remain same. There is no left, right, any direction is there here. Two standing lines are there. Okay, and then these small lines are there here. Now it will go down this way. Okay, now we will draw this F. Just now we can see this F direction is this side. Now it will come on this side. Okay, so here first I will draw this standing line. Now here this I will draw one sleeping line. Now this line goes like this. Okay, then here down, and this portion is sum only. Okay, you can see F. Okay, now this is called our mirror image. Okay, now we will go to the question number 2. Now question number 2 is complete the given figure treating the dotted line as the line of symmetry. Now you have to imagine that these dotted lines are, okay, what their symmetry line is there. Now you have to complete its half. Now here half only diagram is given and half diagram you have to complete. Okay, so how you will complete this half diagram? While drawing its reflection. Okay, how it will fall that way. See, number 1 is there. So here we will start with the help of number 1. Now this line you can see here. So on this side it will come first, this portion you draw. Okay, this portion is same. Okay, now here this line will be connected with this. Now this diagram is over. Half was here. If we will open this, then we will see that here both are same. Exactly they are half. Okay. Now here, what here we will do? Here also we have to do the same thing. Now see, from here we will go this place. Then here it is going inside. So here also it will go inside only. Now here it will go outside. Then down. This way. Okay, now we have to take the standing line. Okay, now here this line will be connected with this. So we can see this full diagram. Now here number 3, same we have to do. Here this portion is there, so this much you will also go. Now here this line is there. So here we will go outside. 1 and 2 lines. So 2 lines go. Okay, we have gone. Now this came inside. So we will also come inside. Okay, now here we have to draw again 2 lines. Now this goes outside. So we will also go outside. Okay, and then we will merge these 2 lines. See, this way we will get. Okay, then number 4. Here number 4, first this line is there, so we will also draw this line. Okay, now this goes inside, so we will also go inside. Now it goes outside, so we will go outside. Now here standing line is there, so we will draw standing line till here. Now this goes inside. Okay, till here. Now here it is outside going. So we got this image. Now we will do here. We will go number 5. Now number 5 also same, we have to do this line is there. Now standing line is there. So we will also take standing line. Now it goes outside. So outside. Okay. Now here if you face this, now this is again outside only going. But here my space is not there. Okay. So here I will take. Okay. Now this here, one line now goes inside and then here down. and here. See. Okay. Now number 6 we will do. Now number 6 is little tough. First sleeping line then. Now standing line there you have to go up here this way. Okay. Now you have to go outside. You have to come down. Only one. And then till here it will come. Now one step here. Okay. Down came. Now going inside. So go inside. And then your down come, and then here. By this what we understood that this is our symmetry line is a mirror. Okay, this is one symmetry line is there and its reflection is here. This here complete figure we are getting here. Okay, like this way on craft paper also we can do this activity. Thank you.